Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to hack an Instagram account using Kali Linux. So let's get started. So I'm in the terminal, and we clone the GitHub repository by following these steps. I will give the GitHub link in the description. Type git clone, paste the link, and press enter. I have already cloned this repository. Now follow these commands. Copy this and press enter. Copy the requirement.txt and paste it. It will take some time. Now copy this command. Chmod plus X makes a file executable, so you can run it like a program. Paste it and enter. Copy the command linux.sh /linux.sh runs the linux.sh script in the current directory. Now our program is running. It will take a few moments. Now you see 4 options. To choose Instagram, press 1 and hit enter. Check if the VPN is on or off. Select 0 for off, 1 for on. Now you can see phishing, brute force, and mass report. Enter 1 to select brute force. Enter the Instagram target username. Enter the word list you created according to the target. Press enter. The tool will try passwords from the word list one by one, and when the correct password is found, it will be shown.
This video is for educational purposes only. If you want to learn how to create a custom word list based on a user, I can make a video for that.
Comment word list if you want a video on creating a custom word list.